Everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is going to be about top 3 offers that you can run on Adsterra. Welcome to today's video on the top 3 best offers that you can actually run on Adsterra. So before we get into the offers, we got to know what is Adsterra first. Without knowing what is Adsterra, how do you know which offer you want to run in Adsterra? So this is Adsterra's homepage. Basically, it's designed superbly. I personally like all these kind of AI icons, as you can see over here. I love this kind of AI icons. I love it, guys. So this is the homepage of Adsterra. So Adsterra was established in the year 2013. It's fairly a very new affiliate network. It's established in Scotland, but it's currently growing rapidly because of its unique feature, unique way of delivering its ads and everything. It has gained popularity just like that. The popularity has spiked. If you go Google, if you go YouTube, you press Adsterra, they even compare Adsterra to be an alternative for Google AdSense itself. So it has worked its way up a lot, guys, due to its unique capability and everything. But Adsterra is still a fairly new company, but now it's considered as one of the best network, and you can even say the best network when it comes to pop under advertisement. So that is basically a rough summary about Adsterra. So let's go ahead into the Adsterra's website and see what the Adsterra has to say about themselves. So this is their website, so you can actually advertise, monetize. Welcome. Adsterra is a leading digital advertising company that offers performance-based solution for advertisers and worldwide 25 billion impression per month. That is super crazy, guys. So they have their personal accounts manager, and this is one of the highlights about Adsterra that everybody actually tells. When you heard somebody's working with Adsterra, they love their personal account manager, because once you have actually registered into the Adsterra, the personal account manager will come to you. He will approach you, tell, do you know how to run stuff? He will actually teach you how to run stuff and all these things. And also they have been giving a lot of great support to the affiliate. That's why personally a lot of affiliate loves Adsterra, especially when it comes to this section. And then security, conversion, tracking, favorable CPMs, which is also one of the highest selling point of Adsterra. So real-time statistics for advertisers, this is for publishers, so we're gonna learn both. So these are the partners that at Adsterra are working with. So as you can see, they are working with big names, guys. They are working with Jabon.com, Star Games, Darak, this is I'm not sure what is this, Jumia, I've never heard. Lazada is super popular, Metomai, Mobistar, these kinds of big company, guys. So they have a lot of huge network out there for Adsterra itself. So meet the Adsterra team, blah blah blah. So okay, let's go check out about them. So they do have a referral program. As you see, they offer 5% for their referral program, lifetime. That means if you refer somebody, you will get lifetime 5% of their revenue, guys. So that is the best, one of the things that Adsterra had. So let's talk about the other stuff that Adsterra had. Just now we saw the partners that Adsterra has been connected with, right? They are connected with Star Games, Lazada, Jabong. That is just the small names, guys. There's also I have actually discovered that the Adsterra is actually associated with AliExpress. They are actually associated with big names such as that as well. And also let's talk about the payment methods that Adsterra actually offer. Adsterra offers a lot of payment method. If you hear about the payment method, some of the payment method you might not even have heard before. That is how advanced Adsterra is when it comes to payment method. They allow Bitcoin, e-payments, Paxum, PayPal, Payza, web money, wire transfer. For PayPal, they don't charge any fee, but PayPal itself will charge fee, right? If you know PayPal, if you've been using PayPal, you know that PayPal will charge around 3% to 5% if I'm not mistaken. But then Adsterra will not charge any fee if you withdraw through PayPal. For Bitcoin, they will apply 0.1% commission in all Bitcoin transaction. And also remember, keep in mind guys, Bitcoin, I used to play with Bitcoins a lot. I have my own investment with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin price is always not stable, so keep that in mind. Don't say Adsterra cheated me with paying low or paying high, because Bitcoin's price is a little bit not stable. So for web money, they charge around 8% of the total payout sum. Maximum they only charge until 50%. For Paxum, Adsterra charge a fixed fee of $1 for every transaction. For e-payment, they do not charge anything at all guys. They do not charge anything, and e-payment also do not charge any fee guys. But the sad part is e-payment do not accept people from certain countries like India, Pakistan, Egypt, Ecuador, Nigeria, Vietnam, Myanmar. They don't accept all these kind of countries. So you can actually call e-payments and ask, or you can actually go to e-payments website and see whether your country is blacklisted or not. So for Payza, it's similar with PayPal. Adsterra don't charge you any fee, but Payza itself might charge somewhere around 3 to 4% of the total transaction. For wire transfer, Adsterra will charge $50 for USD for US bank transfer, and €0 for, sorry, this is I wrote it down wrongly guys. So Adsterra will charge $50 for USD bank transfer and $0 for Euro bank transfer. So if you're in Euro, Adsterra don't charge you anything. If you are in US, they will charge you $50, because Adsterra is based in Scotland, which is also considered as the European Union right now. And now let's talk about the pros and cons of Adsterra, which I feel like one of the most important part before we get into the offers that you can actually run on Adsterra. You can actually run a lot of offers, but then I'm going to talk about that as well. But then before running an offer, you should know what is the pros and cons of a certain publisher, right? So that's what we're going to talk about. So the pros of Adsterra is that they are specialized in pop under advertising. They are not only specialized, they are considered as the #1 pop under affiliate network guys. So that's one of the highest point about them. And they offer 24/7 support. I've already talked about this. They have 24-hour support team, and their support team is super reliable, super friendly, super helpful. That's why one of the reasons that people like Adsterra a lot. Adsterra, not Styria, sorry guys. So they provide 5% referral program, which means they, like I told you just now itself, they got 5% referral program, which means you will get 5% of the lifetime revenue of anybody who you actually introduce. And they provide payment every 2 weeks once. They have a lot of payment option. I've already talked about that. And they have huge variety of ad types, formats that you can choose from. And they are a company which is growing like super great. So talking about all these pros of Adsterra, you might be thinking, why is this guy promoting Adsterra so much? He did not even talk anything about the bad side about Adsterra. I have not used Adsterra personally. This is all from the information that I've gathered from my research. So the cons of Adsterra is usually they are not ideal for low volume publishers. So when you have a low volume, you will not be using Adsterra. Don't use Adsterra because Adsterra has certain requirement, and their requirement is quite high. Even when it comes to volume, it comes to payout, they have a very high standard. So if you're just beginning to drive traffic into your website, Adsterra is not for you guys. They have, like I told you, they have traffic restriction, they have volume restriction for people with, that's why people who have small sites, who are just developing traffic, definitely Adsterra, it's not for you. And also they have a very high payment minimum payout level, which makes a lot of things hard for newbies. So I think we have talked everything that we need to know about Adsterra. So let's go to today's video topic. I'm not going to run away from today's video's topic. So today's video's topic is going to be about the top 3 best offers that you can actually run on Adsterra. So the best top 3, my personal favorite offers that you can actually run on Adsterra is iPhone offers. iPhone offers sells awesome. Let it be under pop under advertisement or push notification. iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, but especially iPhone run awesomely. The second top offer that you can actually run on Adsterra is actually trip offers, vacation trips. I have a flight voucher, I have a trip voucher. This kind of things sells awesomely with push notification and Adsterra. Since Adsterra is the #1 pop under a network, this will sell like crazy with Adsterra. And the third one that I would highly recommend you to run with Adsterra is definitely e-commerce, guys. As you can see over here, most of their partners are from e-commerce. It's not without a reason why this is happening, guys, because their e-commerce is their #1 offer, guys. So that's why there's a lot of e-commerce website over here, big ones, Lazada Group, Jumia, AliExpress, all of them are there. So that's why e-commerce is one of the best. If not, I would highly recommend e-commerce as the best offer that you can actually run on the Adsterra advertising network. So I don't run copyright. I actually don't tell this title was misleading. This title of this video was misleading because I've already talked about the top 3 offers that you can actually run on Adsterra. As well, I've explained everything about Adsterra that you should know. If you want to know more about Adsterra, you can go to adsterra.com and go ahead and read about them yourself. There's a lot of information over here for advertisers, what is happening for advertisers, what is happening for for publisher. So you can go ahead and go through all this if you want to. And definitely I would highly recommend you to do your own research before you getting into Adsterra. But definitely if you can Google Adsterra, it is one of the best pop under network as well as push notification network available in the industry. It's fast growing. People even say that it is the next alternative for Google AdSense. So it's growing like that. It's growing in a very crazy 25 billion impression per month is not something very easy to get, guys. So this is the end of today's video. I think I've covered everything that I wanted to cover in today's video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.